In low-pressure aluminum casting, accurate pressure control is essential for creating high-quality wheels with constant density. The process starts by controlling the pressure to move molten aluminum into the mold quickly and efficiently. Key components in this process include the QB2 and RM series regulators and DS pressure transducer. These regulators are designed for high-resolution, low-pressure control, allowing precise adjustments at pressures as low as 1 psi. The closed-loop design of the QB2 with DS feedback ensures repeatability, even at extremely low pressures. This is critical for creating a smooth, consistent pressure ramp. Without precise control, pressure profiles can develop a dogleg, causing uneven metal flow and poor quality parts. The proportion air controller eliminates this issue by maintaining a linear, controlled pressure ramp. As seals in the furnace wear, leaks can cause issues with pressure control. The proportion air controller naturally compensates for small leaks, helping to maintain consistent results. Pressure readings are monitored throughout the process, allowing for proactive maintenance of seals and better data acquisition. With precise shot control through air pressure measurement, these components work together to perfect the low-pressure casting process,